Are you a new Amazon seller that doesn't know how to add products? I'm going to show you how to add a product on Amazon. The first thing that you need to do, you need to go into add products right here in catalog, add products, but it should be bookmarked. After that, you're going to need one of two things, okay? A name or a barcode. This name could be the name of the product, or this could be the barcode of the product. If it's a book, it's called an ISBN. Or if it's a product that you already know is on Amazon, you're gonna take what's called the ASIN number, the ASIN. After that, once we do that, we're going to click on the product and we're going to see a couple different things. If we can't find the exact same product, make sure that we find a similar enough product that has nearly exactly the same name. So when we put in the ASIN or the barcode up here, what we do, we search for it and then we go into condition after we click on the exact same product. If you can't find the exact same product with the number or the name that you put in, try to find it with a similar name. But if you can't find it on Amazon, then it's just not on Amazon. Okay, now we're going to sell this product because we already know we could sell it. So now we're going to be taken to this page. Okay, this page right here is how you list a product. Okay, to the left you could see all the requirements and recommendations, but we only really need to fill out the required stuff. So you see right here, quantity, that's how many units you have. I already have this on my store. I'm just giving you an example. The price, this is going to be calculated by you, okay? So the price right here, you have to make sure that you're actually making profit at whatever price that you put for it. But to do that, we could use our application called Seller AMP, okay? That'll very easily tell you, okay, this book has been selling for, right here, this example, $28. For this book, I know I buy it for $5, okay? And in total, I make $9.82 profit and nearly 200% ROI. That is insane for some products that we're looking for. A lot of the times you're not going to be able to make that much ROI, but you should be able to make at least $10 profit on each of the products that you list, because if you don't, it's really not great for you to list something. Okay, we're not going to go over how to use Seller Amp right now, but we're just going to use the price that we see here, the $28. It's not even $28 by itself. It could be a lot higher than that. That's just the price that Amazon puts. Okay, so we could also list it for up to $47, for example. Okay, let's say we list it for 47. Offer condition type, that's if it's new, used. Usually if it's used, you don't have to upload the photos, but if you have pictures of what the photo look like, of what the product looks like, okay, like you could say it's like new, you could upload photos to have the customer see, okay, it's actually like new, but those aren't really mandatory. After that, you should see where it says fulfillment channel. If you're going to do an FBA, you could click it like this, Amazon will ship it. Or if you want to send it out yourself, you could do it like this, where it says I will ship it myself. Okay, so after that, what we could do, depending on your marketplace, you might not want to be able to sell in Canada and Mexico. So what we could do, we could keep them turned off if they're on, or if they're gray like this where you can't deactivate them, then you can't do anything about that. But you see right here, they're both deactivated, so we don't have to worry about international shipping. So we're gonna save and finish, and after a few minutes, it'll be on your store. So that's how you add a product.